Good morning, guys. Travis from D&A Restorations. This is our latest full restoration, 1986 ATC350X. Custom build, just a little bit different than the factory. As you can see, we've got a red swing arm versus silver, red seat. We did red fork boots, white light, red shroud, just a couple custom touches. Red coil spring on the rear shock, as you can see in there, tucked up. The guy wanted a red and white theme, so we gave it to him. And I am very happy we did. We even did the red hubs, front and rear. We got Woody Helton's OMF V-lock wheels. Got an awesome Empire exhaust, one of my favorites. We got Noah Olson's foot pegs, Tammy Mosher Cosmic Quad seats. I mean, this is all stuff you guys can be doing at home on the amateur side of it. Not that we any more professional than anybody else, but we do quite a few of these, so gonna take a minute to really soak it in. But like I said, this one was a full frame off. We actually replaced the frame because it was cracked. So we did that. It is a Meyer fender build because my customer downright wants to get down and beat on it, which is awesome. I mean, that's what these things were made for. So with the Empire exhaust and got this thing tuned and jetted right, it's a bad little sucker. It actually starts good. We got the decompression set just about perfect. I mean, it's pretty much everything you'd expect from a custom build 350X. I'm gonna do a sound clip outside. That way you guys can actually hear it firsthand of what you're working with. But hopefully you enjoy. Appreciate you following along, share and subscribe. Well, we were gonna do a quick rip down the highway, but so we're not doing that now. Maybe might catch it in another video, but I just wanted y'all to hear how that Empire sounded. Man, these things are sound so good. Awesomely built. Just awesome machines, awesome pipes. My man George, he did the full assembly on this bike. Gotta give him credit where credit's due. Fairly new to the shop, 6-8 months in, and he did it start to finish with very little supervision, and he did a phenomenal job. Thank you, George.